Going to go now to our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford, to get more information on that particular charge we just talked about, which is exploitation of a vulnerable person. Jeff, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
All right, give us a little bit more information about this charge.
Well, basically, exploitation of a vulnerable adult can include a minor also. Basically, it's anyone that's in need of physical care or treatment, and you're placed in charge of that person in some way. You could be a relative caring for someone who's sick at their house, and they tell you to take care of their finances for them, either through a power of attorney or putting you on as a co-signer on their account or assignee on their account. It could also include a care provider at a nursing home or anybody that provides care at a hospital facility. Basically, this could be one occurrence or many occurrences depending on how it plays out in the eyes of law enforcement.
I will tell you, we've seen many cases like this from the Attorney General's office. There seems to be a crackdown on this type of behavior.
Well, obviously, these are the people that as a society we have to take care of, and we have to do what's right by them. They've lived their lives, and sometimes they're put in a position where they can no longer take care of themselves. And those people that are placed in the position of trust should only act in their best interest, and whether that be taking care of them, ensuring they're not hurt, or spending their money. What occurs a lot of time is somebody's a power of attorney, and that person may have some money, and then they, as a power of attorney, they start spending that money in ways not to benefit the person. It's okay to spend money to benefit the person on, for example, if they have a bill you have to pay, you write that check, but you can't go out and buy yourself a car, or you can't go out and buy yourself a steak dinner. You got to actually spend the money on the person. So you got to separate your personal account and this person's account if you're going to be put in that position.
All right, a serious crime indeed, Jeff. As always, we appreciate your perspective on this. If you have a question for Jeff, you can send it to us at legalline@wcbi.com. We'll see you next week.
Thank you for having me, ma'am.